this video, I'm going to go ahead and go over what's included in the package, why automating your systems is a must for every type of business, how it works, and so on. So you can go ahead and get started by filling out the contact form that is on this page. This form would allow us to be able to, of course, get in contact with you, but learn a little bit more about your business, what you're looking to do, because every business is different, and so we really tailor every system to our clients and their business needs. And so when you sign up with us and we do this package together, we want to make sure that it is 100% customized to you and your exact business needs. Otherwise, what's the point in having it? And the reason why we wanted to create this package is because when we have a client that has a professional, easy to use, it's mobile friendly, and the website is just killer with strong SEO, and we also have all of the systems tailored to their exact business set up and connected correctly, they have tremendous success, because the goal here is to save you time while improving your overall business. And if you have everything automated and connected and it looks professional and everything is branded, it is not only going to make you look like a professional, but it's going to accomplish that goal of saving you time and improving your business. People are all about instant gratification, and if you have systems that get back to them right away, sending out emails, you have other systems in place for your team management, for your overall business operations, your marketing, all of this really can be automated. Because again, the number one priority is to make sure that your operations are running smoothly, that your clients and customers are being retained, and that the orders are being fulfilled on time and correctly, and that your business is building a brand and is represented in the way that it should be. And this package really allows us to make sure that the fundamentals of your business are set up correctly to allow you to focus on what you should be focusing on, and to be able to allow the business to grow while automating systems to again save you time while improving the overall business. So fill out the contact form, get in contact with us. We would love to be able to get started. You can even purchase on the next page if you want to, or you can chat with us beforehand. Get started, and if you have any questions, we'd love to answer them. Thank you.